How to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If Facebook Marketplace is not loading properly, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now you want to scroll all the way down and find the option of help and support. Now go ahead and tap on report or problem. Then tap on continue to report a problem. Now over here tap on include. Then from this list of products you want to find marketplace, tap on this. Now here you want to describe the issue you're facing. So go ahead and describe your issue over here. You can also attach a screenshot if you want. For that, tap on upload from phone option. Once that is done, tap on this button right here and send this report. Now, Facebook customer support will get in touch with you and help you fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.